Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan soft chocolate chip cookies with olive oil. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the olive oil, soy milk, maple syrup, coconut sugar, vanilla extract, and salt, and whisk until the coconut sugar is completely dissolved. Sift the flour, cornstarch, and baking powder together. Add the sifted flour mixture to the olive oil mixture until well combined and uniform. Fold the chocolate chips into the dough. Scoop the dough with an ice cream scoop and place it on a baking sheet with a baking liner. Bake them for about 17 minutes or until the surface becomes slightly puffy. You can use any type of oil in this recipe. I personally like to use extra virgin olive oil in baking and cooking for the health benefits. These cookies can be kept in an airtight container in a room temperature for up to a week, or wrap them individually with plastic wrap and keep them in the freezer up to a few months. I hope you enjoy making these delicious chocolate chip cookies and share them with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.